So on a school day, I will normally wake up at 6 AM and the first thing I do is snooze my alarm a couple of times, and then I'll just check, see if anyone's texted me, but I'll try not to stay on my phone for too long just because that isn't the best way to start your day. So I'll just roll my blinds up, let some light in my room, and then make my bed. And then I'll just take a sip of my water because I always have water on my bedside table. And I'll just put some music on because music just gets me in such a good mood, and I find that a great way to start the day. And then I'll just pick my outfit out if I haven't already done that the night before. And I'll plug my phone in because I don't like charging it overnight. Yeah. And then I will just head to the bathroom and I'll do my skincare routine. I have my skincare routine linked down below if you want to check it out. And I'll also wash my armpits because I just do that every morning. This might seem really weird to you, but I've literally done it forever, so yeah, don't judge me. And I'll just get dressed and then put some deodorant on. But now I'm just doing my makeup, and I will have an everyday makeup routine up for school. If it's not already up, then I'll link it in the description when it is up. But here I'm just showing you quickly kind of what I do for school. And then I will brush my hair and normally apply a lip balm or a lip gloss. And I will also spray a perfume. Today I'm using a perfume that Scentbird sent me, and Scentbird, if you didn't already know, is a monthly subscription and they send you designer fragrances and perfumes. So it is amazing. You can check their website out, I'll have it down below. I just love the packaging and that it's reusable, so you can literally put whatever perfume you want in there. It's a great way to try out new scents and they're just really easy to put in your bag. Love them. And then I will just switch my music off, unplug my phone, and I'll just pack my school bag and head downstairs for some breakfast. So today I made banana and ice cream because I love it. It's just ice cream made out of bananas. And I just add some peanut butter. You've seen me make this 1,000 times, but I love this so much.
Are you falling in love with her?
And then I'll just add some sunflower seeds, just to add a little bit of nutrition, I guess. Once I'm eating my breakfast, I will normally either listen to a podcast or just check my social media. I'll have it on the screen here, so make sure to follow me if you're not already. And I also take my vitamins because I am a vegetarian, so I need to take a few vitamins. And then I'll just head back upstairs and brush my teeth because I hate brushing my teeth before breakfast. I always have to do it afterwards. And then I will just head out the door. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. I love you all so much. Bye!
Kommer alltid vara min,